genetic code and the mutation. In the previous lecture we had studied about the genetic code, what is the nature of genetic code and the properties of the genetic code. In today's lecture we will study about the relation between the mutation and the genetic code in relation with the change in amino acid sequence which results in change in protein sequence. Okay, so we start with the mutation and the genetic code. Mutations and the genetic code. So we had already discussed about genetic code. What is genetic code? Genetic code is basically a triplet of nucleotides. So this genetic code is a triplet of nucleotides. Okay, it means made up of 3 nucleotides. For example, AUG is a codon which will code for methionine amino acid. Okay. So how this mutation and genetic code are related to change in the amino acid sequence of the protein? See, we had already discussed about mutation in the previous chapter. That is, there are basically 3 types of mutation: point mutations and frameshift mutation. So there are point mutation, large insertions and large deletions. Large insertions means a stretch of more than 8 to 10 nucleotides are inserted at a particular site in the RNA. Or large deletion means a stretch of 8 to 10 nucleotides are deleted from a particular RNA. For example, suppose this is an RNA A, this is second nucleotide, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Suppose these threads get deleted from this RNA, so this is large deletion. If this particular stretch get inserted at a particular position in a particular RNA, then this is large insertion. Okay, and in today's lecture we will focus on the point mutation. Okay, so what is this point mutation? Point means one nucleotide. So point mutation basically occurs at a particular nucleotide, at only one nucleotide. Okay, so suppose there is a codon AUG, CUG, CUG and so on, and here this C that is present at the first position of the second codon will get changed to the U. So AUG, UUG, CUG. This is the new RNA sequence, and here this is the first codon and this is the second codon. So this CUG codon will get changed to the UUG codon. Okay, and here only one nucleotide is getting changed or getting mutated to the another nucleotide. So this is point mutation. Point means at a particular point, means only one nucleotide gets changed or mutated to the another nucleotide. So this is point mutation. This point mutation will ultimately lead to change in the frame of the mRNA. Okay, how this will cause change in frame of mRNA? We all know that the sequence of mRNA will ultimately decide the sequence of amino acid into the polynucleotide chain or in the protein. So suppose this is an mRNA, this is the 5' end of the mRNA and this is the 3' end of the mRNA. First codon will always be AUG because this AUG will work as an initiator codon as well as it will code for the methionine amino acid. So the first amino acid should always be methionine in any protein. Why the first amino acid in methionine? Because the first codon, that is the initiator codon, will always code for the methionine amino acid. So the first amino acid will always be methionine in any polypeptide. So first, suppose this is the first codon, second is C, U, A, G, C, U, G. This is the second codon, this is the third codon, this is the fourth codon. Suppose there is the particular a single nucleotide get inserted here at this position. So this insertion of a single nucleotide will change the reading frame of this mRNA. How this will change the reading frame of this RNA? We will see here. See, one nucleotide, that is U, will get inserted at this point. So the new sequence will be A U G. This will be inserted C C C U A G and so on. So this is the first codon, this is the second codon, and this is the third codon. You can easily compare these two RNA and see that the first codon is same AUG AUG, but the second codon here in the previous RNA or in the raw RNA, the second codon is CUU. But after the insertion of U after the first codon will lead to change in the reading frame of mRNA, and the second codon will be now UCC instead of CCC. In the raw RNA or in the unmodified RNA, the second codon is CCC, but in the modified RNA, after the insertion of one nucleotide, the reading frame gets changed and the second codon will be now UCC. So this insertion will change the reading frame of mRNA. Okay, if the reading frame of mRNA will be changed, ultimately the amino acid sequence of the protein will also change. How? This CCC will code for some amino acid, say A1, and this UCC will code for some amino acid, that is A2. So A1 and A2 are two different amino acids. We had already discussed this. One codon will code for one particular amino acid. So this CCC will code for A1 and this UCC will code for some A2 amino acid, and this A1 and A2 are two different amino acids. So this is how the insertion mutation change the reading frame of the mRNA that will ultimately change the protein sequence. Okay. Now we will discuss about the deletion. Point deletion, that is the deletion of only and only one nucleotide. Suppose this is the RNA sequence AUGCCCA. Okay. So this is the first codon, this is the second codon. If these nucleotides get deleted, then the new sequence of mRNA will be AUGCCCA. Here the first codon is AUG and the second codon will be CCA. So the codon will get changed. Firstly the codon will be CCC, and in the modified RNA the second codon will be CCA. CCC will code for some different amino acid and CCA will code for some different amino acid. So this will change the amino acid sequence of the mRNA. So this is about the point mutation. Point mutation means insertion or deletion of one or two nucleotides. And what about if three nucleotides get changed, or codon that is made up of three nucleotides get inserted at a particular mutation? Then will the frame will change or will the frame will remain same? So we will see here. Suppose this is an mRNA. This is the first codon AUGCCCGGG. So if one or two nucleotides get inserted or deleted at a particular position in the mRNA, then the reading frame will get changed, which will ultimately change the amino acid sequence in the protein. But if a nucleotide of three or the multiple will get inserted or deleted from a particular position in the mRNA, then whether the reading frame will change or will not change. So suppose at this point a codon or three nucleotides get inserted, that is UUU. Okay. Then the new RNA will be, here the first codon is this one, the second codon is this one, and the third codon is this one. And the new RNA sequence will be AUGUUUCCCGGG and 3'. So here the first codon is AUG, second codon is UUU, third codon is CCC, and the fourth codon is GGG. Here you can see that only the second codon is inserted at a particular position, but this insertion of three nucleotides will not change the reading frame of the mRNA. RNA. How? See, the first codon is same. The second, a new codon at the second position will be inserted, and the third codon and the fourth codon will be same as the second and third codon of the unmodified RNA. So this will add a new amino acid in the protein sequence, but the amino acid sequence after the insertion will remain same. After this second codon, the nucleotide sequence will be same, so the amino acid sequence will be same. So, if a multiple of 3 or 3 nucleotides will be added or deleted from a particular position of mRNA, this will not alter the reading frame of the mRNA. Instead, it will either add a particular amino acid in the protein sequence, or it will either delete a particular amino acid from the amino acid sequence. See, here a codon will be added at the second position. This codon will ultimately code for some different amino acid. So a new amino acid will be added into the protein sequence. But if this codon will be deleted, that is the second codon. If this second codon, that is the CCC, will get deleted, then a new sequence of the mRNA will be A, U, G, 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 G. So the first codon is this and the second codon is this. So this deletion of 3 nucleotides or a codon from the mRNA sequence will not change the reading frame. Instead, it will delete a particular amino acid from the protein sequence. See, the second codon will be same as the third codon of the unmodified RNA. So this will code for GGG, will code for a particular amino acid. Here also this GGG will code for a particular amino acid. So downstream of this GGG, the amino acid sequence will remain same. So downstream of the insertion or downstream of the deletion, the amino acid sequence will remain same, or the frame will remain same. But if 2 or 1 nucleotide will get changed, or a particular amino acid, there is no particular amino acid which will be added. Instead, there is a change in the reading frame. See, if 1 nucleotide is added, we already seen that if 1 nucleotide is added, then the reading frame will get changed. If 2 nucleotide will be added, then also the reading frame will get changed. But if 3 nucleotides are added, the reading frame will remain same downstream of the codon that will be inserted at that particular position. Okay, so this will be about the mutation and genetic code. So thank you for watching this video, and in the coming lecture we will study about the structure of tRNA, and after that we will study the translation process.